Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are unboxing a Nasco toaster and we'll be making egg and tuna sandwich as well. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Guys, this Nasco TA8211 toaster was gifted me in December by 3LM Ventures as my Christmas present. And I'm like, why not unbox and review it with you guys? If you don't know 3LM Ventures, they are your one-stop shop for all major brands of home appliances. They do both wholesale and retail, so if you need any appliances, just check them out on Facebook and Instagram at 3LM Ventures. So the Nasco toaster came in this lovely box with a picture of the toaster in front and at the back of the box, and on the sides of the box it has the product description in details on the sides of the box, which is actually good so that you know what you're buying and what to expect. Once you open the toaster, the first thing you find is the manual. I mean, before using any product, you need to read the manual to see how to care for the product and how to use it as well. And also has this card which protects the toaster, I guess. So from the box, the toaster came in a rubber. I mean, it's new, so we get it. It's very lightweight. I love how simple it is. I love the color. I love that it's white. I love the silver finishing. It's aesthetically pleasing and will look good on any countertop. It's for the general design, it's very basic, very minimalist, nothing fancy. Has this defrost, reheat and cancel buttons. It also has this regulator which regulates the heat. When you turn the toaster around, at the back of the toaster, it also has this knob right here which controls the handle. There's a handle at the top, and then when we turn the toaster upside down, this is how it looks from beneath, and the cord is pretty long as well. When we open the manual, it gives us the important safeguards, whatever you need to know to handle this toaster with care, like know your toaster for the first use, what you need to know, using your toaster, what you need to know, and how to clean and maintain the toaster. I recommend you read all your product manuals before using them. When we look at the front, it has this knob which when you bring it up and down, like when you bring it down, it opens up the space for you to insert your bread, and then the back too has this knob which regulates the handle. This one right here regulates the temperature of the toaster. So today we are going to try toasting a regular bread and see how this toaster works. So let's switch it on and then we'll continue. When you turn the switch on, the cancel button shows a blue light. So I first started off with reheat. I realized that for the reheat, you probably want to just heat your bread, not really toast because it takes less than a minute to get ready. It just makes the bread hot, but not to toast. And when you use the defrost button, that's when your bread actually toasts. So when you use the regulator, depending on which number you use, then like it gets your bread ready. When it's ready, it just pops out as we just saw. So I tried 3 different regulations. So when you want golden brown, then you have to put it on 1 or 2. If you want your bread like medium, like darkened, then you have to put it on 4. If you want it really burnt, then 5, 6, 7. 7 the burnt offering, no. Anyway, so this toaster is very easy to handle and very simple to use, and I love how simple and minimalist it is. Now today I'm going to share tuna and egg sandwich recipe with you guys. As always, our recipes are very simple and easy to make, so this one is also one of those. We will start off by dicing medium-sized onion, just half of it. I have 2 boiled eggs that will be dicing as well. I have a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and I also have a tin of tuna flakes. So we are just gonna pour our diced eggs and then onion into a mixing bowl. We'll add our tuna flakes, the salt and pepper, and then we'll add about 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. We'll mix all together, and as simple as that, we would head to making our sandwich. So we go ahead and mix everything together until it's well incorporated, and then we transfer it onto our bread, and we have our sandwich ready. You don't necessarily have to toast your bread before making this sandwich. You can use your regular bread for this sandwich. If you still want the toast filling and you don't have a toaster, you can use a sandwich maker if you have one, or you can toast it in your pan on fire. But if you need a toaster, then definitely contact 3LM Ventures if you are in Ghana. It's very affordable. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for the support. If you made it this far, please share with your friends and family, share with your co-workers, your classmates, your church members, share with everybody and encourage them to subscribe. We're almost 800 subscribers and we want to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty soon, so please share so we get more people watching our videos and we also get more subscribers. And if you watch this video and you haven't subscribed yet, subscription is totally free, and that's the only way you can support us to bring you more content. So please do subscribe, and if you try this recipe at home, please let us know what you think. You can also send us pictures of your own creation on our Instagram at Foodstoriesgh. You can also follow us on TikTok, Foodstoriesgh. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.